Entrepreneurship is no longer confined to the realm of brick-and-mortar businesses and corporate giants. A silent revolution has been taking place, shifting the very landscape of business ownership. Now, as the world evolves and technology advances, a new breed of entrepreneurs seems to have emerged, forging their own path, driven by passion and self-reliance. I want to welcome you guys to the era of solopreneurship, where individuals are finally breaking free from traditional norms and carving their own destinies. Now, in the words of renowned author and entrepreneur Tim Ferriss, the new rich are those who abandon the pursuit of a traditional career and instead design their own lifestyles. They are the ones who embrace the idea of solopreneurship and dare to redefine success to their own terms. Now, I want you to join me on this journey as I unveil the rise of solopreneurship and explore the endless possibilities it offers in this ever-changing world. Also, if you're ready to seize control of your own destiny and embark upon this solopreneurial path, let's say, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so I can grow this channel of like-minded people just like you and I. Part 1. The Vanishing Act. Unraveling the decline of traditional business. Traditional business models, which were once seemingly invisible, are now facing unprecedented challenges. And as time is passing by, it becomes more evident that the convergence of various factors has set the stage for a radical transformation in business. Things such as technological advancements, shifting consumer behaviors, and the overall relentless pace of globalization have formed a perfect storm, compelling traditional businesses to adapt or fade away. Now, at the core of this decline of traditional business lies the exponential rise of the digital age. The internet and rapid technological advancements have become catalysts for an entrepreneurial revolution. And I think that today more than ever, individuals have the tools to pursue their dreams and to redefine the entrepreneurial landscape. And the cost of entry has never been so low as it is today. And so the digital realm has provided a level playing field, empowering aspiring solopreneurs to compete on a global scale. According to recent studies, the number of solopreneurs has been steadily increasing, with over 41 million Americans alone engaging in some form of freelance work. Now, this rise of the digital age has ushered in a new era of limitless possibilities. Another compelling force behind the decline of traditional business is the profound shift in consumer behavior. Modern consumers are no longer content with merely purchasing products or services. They seek personalized experiences, meaningful connections, and socially responsible brands. And this fundamental change in consumer demands has put traditional business at a disadvantage. According to the market research, 76% of consumers have stated that they are more likely to support businesses that align with their values. Solopreneurs with their ability to craft authentic narratives and connect directly with their target audience have swiftly adapted to this shift, while many traditional businesses still struggle to keep pace with the rest of us. The problem is that in the face of disruption, traditional businesses have often found themselves hampered by bureaucratic structures, hierarchical decision-making processes, and just like this overall lack of agility. On the contrary, if you are solopreneurship, you know that you can thrive on flexibility and adaptability in a nutshell, because solopreneurs possess the autonomy to make quick decisions and to pivot strategies by embracing opportunities that come along the way. This ability to act swiftly in response to market demands has become a vital competitive advantage in today's rapidly evolving business landscape. Now, studies have also shown that solopreneurship offers a greater, let's say, sense of control and job satisfaction, and also contributes significantly to a work-life balance. In fact, according to a recent survey, 88% of solopreneurs reported higher levels of satisfaction compared to traditional employees. And this rise of the solopreneur not only reflects a shift in the business landscape, but also a deeper cultural yearning for autonomy and self-expression by people in general. So consequently, as we witness the rise of the solopreneur, we also witness the resurgence of human agency in the face of uncertainty. Part 2. 3 reasons why you may want to consider solopreneurship. See, one of the most compelling reasons to embark on this solopreneurial journey is the unparalleled sense of self-determination, autonomy, and freedom it offers, right? As a solopreneur, you become the captain of your own ship that is no longer bound by, let's say, the constraints and limitations of traditional business structures. You personally have the power to chart your own course and make critical decisions and, shape your entire business according to your unique visions and values. So you could say that that gone are the days of you being confined to the whims and demands of superiors or managers, or just the overall bureaucracy of corporate hierarchies. And so imagine waking up each day with the freedom to choose your projects, to set your own schedule, and to determine the direction of your own business. No longer do you need to seek the approval or validation of others. Instead, you have the power to follow your intuition, to take risks, and to explore new opportunities. And so the autonomy that solopreneurship provides allows you to craft a life and to craft a career that is in perfect harmony with your personal values and aspirations. As a solopreneur, you have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. And I know that's what a lot of people would want today, right? The traditional boundaries of physical offices no longer really confine you. Whether you choose to work from the comfort of your own home, or a cozy coffee shop, or a tropical beach, you get to choose. You get to decide where you want to work. This level of flexibility not only enhances your work-life balance, but it also opens up a world of possibilities and experiences. Reason number 2, solopreneurship unleashes your growth potential. Another compelling reason to consider solopreneurship is the incredible environment it creates for fostering creativity, driving innovation, and just unlocking limitless growth opportunities. Because as a solopreneur, you're not bound by the rigid structures and processes often found in traditional business settings. You have the freedom to think outside of the box and to experiment with new ideas, thought process, and just bring your unique vision to life. So in the solopreneurial realm, innovation thrives. Without the constraints of corporate red tape or bureaucratic decision-making processes, you have the agility to adapt quickly to changing market trends and to embrace emerging technologies and pioneer new approaches as you like. And this flexibility allows you to stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on emerging opportunities that larger, more cumbersome organizations may struggle to seize. Unlike traditional employment, where promotions and career advancements often depend on the approval and the decisions of others, as a solopreneur, you have the power to determine your own growth trajectory. The sky truly is the limit when it comes to expanding your business, scaling operations, and reaching new heights of success. So whether you choose to specialize in a niche market, expand your offerings, or explore on new ventures, the decision really is yours to make. Solopreneurship really empowers you to take the calculated risks, to learn from the failures that you make along the way, and to continually evolve. This constant growth mindset propels you forward, helping you refine your skills, deepen your knowledge, and become a true expert in your field, which in return yields higher profits. Moreover, as a solopreneur, you have the freedom to build a network of like-minded individuals and to collaborate with people who share the same passions and vision as you do. Through strategic partnerships or joint ventures or collaborations, like whatever you want to call it, you can leverage the collective expertise of others to amplify your personal impact and achieve mutual growth. The solopreneurial community is rich with opportunities for networking, learning, and establishing valuable connections that can open doors to new ventures and collaborations. Reason number 3. Solopreneurship offers flexibility, work-life integration, and the potential for meaningful impact. One of the most enticing aspects of solopreneurship is the unparalleled flexibility and work-life integration it affords. As a solopreneur, you have the ability to design your work schedule around your personal life rather than the other way around. So you could say that the days of the rigid 9-to-5 routines are gone, and sacrificing personal commitments for the sake of work is no longer necessary. Now, with the freedom to set your own hours, you can align your work with your natural rhythms and optimize your productivity. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, you have the flexibility to work when you are most energized and focused. Furthermore, solopreneurship enables you to integrate your work and passions seamlessly. So rather than compartmentalizing different aspects of your life, you have the opportunity to infuse your business with your values, with your interests, and your overall, let's say, personal mission. So this alignment between your work and your core values creates a deeper sense of fulfillment and purpose, making every day a meaningful and rewarding experience. Now, of course, that is not really how it works, right? Not every day is going to be a meaningful experience, but overall you will have more meaningful experiences than if you were to work for an employer. Now, as a solopreneur, you have the autonomy to choose the projects and clients that align with your values and passions. You can shape your business in a way that allows you to make a positive impact on your customers, your community, or even the world at large. And as a result, by leveraging your unique skills, expertise, and perspective, you do have the power to create very efficient solutions and inspire a change, and maybe even leave a lasting legacy if that's what you're aiming for. Moreover, solopreneurship offers the potential for unlimited personal and professional growth. As you navigate the challenges and opportunities of running your own business, you develop a wide range of skills and competencies that contribute to your personal development. From marketing and sales to finance and customer service, you become a well-rounded entrepreneur with a diverse skill set that you can take anywhere you go. Additionally, solopreneurship encourages a growth mindset and a continuous learning mentality. With the freedom to explore new avenues, expand your knowledge, and seek out learning opportunities, you can stay ahead of the curve and remain relevant in a rapidly evolving business landscape. Well, the truth is, you kind of have to, because otherwise you'll stay behind. But by investing in your own growth and development, you can most definitely position yourself as a sought-after expert in your field and open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Furthermore, solopreneurship grants you the opportunity to control your own financial destiny. Instead of relying on a fixed salary or limited earning potential, you have the ability to determine your own worth and create multiple streams of income. So as your business grows and evolves, you can increase your rates, diversify your offerings, or just simply tap into new markets. Like, the choice is yours to make. And this financial independence and abundance not only provides you with a secure future, but it also encourages you and empowers you to live life on your own terms. Part 3. The hero's journey. Embracing the path of the solopreneur. Alright, so after hearing about the incredible benefits of solopreneurship, you may be eager to know how you can begin your own solopreneurial journey and set yourself up for success. Well, I've got you covered. In this part, I'm going to share with you some practical tools and strategies that will help you kickstart your solopreneurial path and set yourself up for success. The first step in becoming a successful solopreneur is by identifying your purpose and your passions. What lights a fire within you? What problems or challenge do you want to solve? Really take the time to reflect on your interests, your skills, and your values. Explore different industries and niches to find a match that resonates with your core being. Because remember, solopreneurship is not just about making as much money as possible, because that's just not a sustainable way. It's about pursuing work that aligns with your true calling, something that makes it sustainable for you to do for a very long time if possible. Now, once you've identified your passions, it's time to take it to the next level. You need to define your unique value proposition, that special something that sets you apart from the competition, let's say. You see, in the world of solopreneurship, it's all about finding your edge, your secret sauce that makes you as a person irreplaceable. So ask yourself this: what unique skills, which experiences or perspectives can you bring to the table? What is it that makes you truly special? Take a moment to reflect on these questions and then clearly articulate the value you offer to your target audience. Because this is where the magic happens. Your value proposition will serve as the bedrock of your solopreneurial brand. It will be the guiding light that shapes your business and helps you stand out in a crowded marketplace. I think it was Alex Hormozi who once said, "Your value propositions should be so crystal clear that it instantly resonates with your ideal customers. They should see it and think, this is exactly what I've been looking for." So take some time to refine your value proposition, like polish it until it shines brighter than any freaking diamond. Make sure it resonates with your ideal customer and speak directly to their needs and desires. When you can clearly communicate the unique value you bring, you'll attract the right audience and create a powerful connection that will propel your solopreneurial journey forward. The third step is building your personal brand. Now, in today's digital age, building a strong personal brand is essential for solopreneurs. Your personal brand is how you present yourself to the world, and it plays a very very significant role in attracting clients and opportunities. And it's no longer just creating a professional website, optimize your social media presence. Now I get it, like a website may not be the most important thing, but just the overall brand of how you put yourself out there and how consistent you put yourself out there is absolutely vital. Consistently share valuable content, showcase your expertise, and engage with your audience as much as possible. Like, you really got to learn to cultivate a strong online reputation that reflects your credibility and authenticity. Number 4, develop your skill set. Now, as a solopreneur, you're not just a business owner. You're a multi-talented individual who wears many hats. Now, to thrive in the competitive business landscape, it is crucial to continuously develop and refine your skill set. Like, take a moment to identify the key skills and knowledge areas that are critical for your chosen field. Like, what are the core competencies that will set you apart and make you a force that can be reckoned with? Is it mastering the art of marketing? Is it honing salesmanship or becoming a coding wizard? Like, which one is it? Whatever it may be, make a list of these skills and prioritize them based on their relevance and impact on your solopreneurial journey. Now, once you've done that, it's time to invest in your professional development. Seek out courses, workshops, and mentorship programs that align with your skills and development goals. The online world truly is a treasure trove of resources waiting to be explored. From platforms such as Udemy or Coursera to industry-specific training programs, there is no shortage of opportunities to expand your knowledge. So honestly, no excuses. Lastly, I cannot emphasize this one. You have to start building a network. Building a strong network is not just an option, it's an essential ingredient, if not maybe the most essential ingredient for your success in the realm of solopreneurship. So let's explore some ideas and concepts to help you establish a robust network that will propel your journey to new heights. To begin, understand that your network is not just a collection of contacts. It's a tribe of like-minded individuals who can support, inspire, and collaborate with you on your solopreneurial journey. And so these connections become your pillars of strength, your sounding boards, but also your sources of guidance and motivations in times where you don't feel like it. One effective way to expand your network is by immersing yourself in industry events. Attend conferences, seminars, and workshops relevant to your niche. These gatherings provide invaluable opportunities to meet and connect with individuals who share your passions and ambitions. Engage in meaningful conversations, exchange ideas, and be open to learning from others. You never know where a casual chat can lead or what doors it can actually open for you, like you genuinely have no idea. But don't limit yourself to physical events alone. In the digital age, online communities have become a thriving hub for solopreneurs to connect, learn, and collaborate. Join platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook groups, or specialized forums related to your industry. Engage in discussions, offer insights, and connect with fellow solopreneurs who share similar aspirations and challenges. The power of virtual networking is immeasurable, because it really allows you to connect with individuals from all around the globe and tap into a wealth of diverse perspectives and experiences. And again, networking is not about having thousands and thousands of contacts, but it's about having meaningful, genuine relationships with a select few who truly understand and support your solopreneurial journey. And so by nurturing these deep connections, you create a support system that can propel you forward and open doors to new opportunities. Think about how you can help your peers. Apply the principle of reciprocity, because when you genuinely offer support, when you offer your guidance or resources to others and in your network without immediately expecting in return, you build a strong foundation of trust and goodwill. And this principle of reciprocity fosters an environment where collaboration and mutual growth thrive, benefiting all parties involved. Okay, so if you like what you hear, the time to embrace the unstoppable shift to solopreneurship is now. By choosing this path, you gain the power of self-determination and autonomy, finally breaking free from traditional constraints. It may come with its own challenges, of course, like as with anything else. I never said this thing was going to be easy, but with dedication and the right mindset, you can overcome them and emerge stronger. So, my friend, don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Seize this opportunity and try to unlock your true potential. Embrace the possibilities, unleash your creativity, and shape a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. The future truly is yours to create. Stay savage.